Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to use Samsung Dishwasher DW80B7070US Cycles Option SmartThings Setup Guide. Step 1. Load the dishes. First of all, you just have to remove the heavy food scraps, bones and toothpicks from the plate to prevent damage. Upper rack. Place the bowls, mugs, glasses facing downward for a proper draining. Then in the lower rack, you have to load a plate, pots, large dishware facing the center. Third, cutlery rack. Place the utensils flats in the top sliding tray for thorough cleaning. Step 2. Add detergent and rinse aid. Open the main detergent dispenser, pour in the liquid detergent or place a pour in the compartment. Snap the cover closed, twist off the cap next to the detergent dispenser for rinse aid. Fill the rinse aid reservoir and securely close the lid. Rinse aid helps dishes dry faster and prevents water spots. Step 3. Power on select setting. Press the power button to turn on the machine. Select a wash cycle by pressing this cycle button. Enhance your wash by choosing additional options such as high temperature wash, sanitized storm wash plus or smart dry. Step 4. Start the wash. You just have to press the start button located on the far right of the panel. Close the dishwasher door firmly within 3 seconds after pressing start. A chime will sound and the front facing time display will light up to confirm the cycle has started.
Thanks
Thanks
for
for
watching.
watching.